Hello beautiful people, my name is Karuna. Welcome back to my channel.
As the title suggests, we are going to an eyebrow tutorial today.
And this is what I have achieved. And I have used two different products on my eyebrows. In fact, two different types of products. I've used an eyebrow powder and an eyebrow pencil. Can you all tell which eyebrow I have used which product? Because I really can't tell. I can't see any difference between both the products. This video is not just going to be a tutorial. It's rather the kind of products that we can use, the techniques, and how I like to do my eyebrows. If you want to skip directly to the tutorial, I am going to put the timeline somewhere here and you all can directly jump onto that tutorial and skip the part where I'm talking about the products and all of that. So, and do let me know in the comments if you all like the video, and I'll be back soon with some more videos. Some little things that you all need before getting started is obviously the product, which can be pencil, powder, pomade, anything that you all have. A spoolie, so you all can either use your old mascara wand, or you can buy this kind of spoolie which is very inexpensive, or you all can buy a brush which has a spoolie and an angular brush. So I've got two options here. I'll just swatch them here. So this one's by Sugar. This, I hope the camera is focusing. Okay, so this one is Arch Arrival. The shade is Cherry Brown. And one thing which we always should remember before picking up the eyebrow shade is if your hair are extremely dark. My hair are jet black, so I prefer dark brown eyebrow pencil. Or you can also go for grey as per your liking. If you like your eyebrows looking a little dark, then you can go for the darker shades, but do not ever pick up a black color shade for your eyebrows. So here, this is how the Sugar one looks. So it's light, okay, and I feel this is how the pigmentation of an eyebrow pencil should be. The second eyebrow pencil that I have is by Bella Voste. The shade name is Brunette Brown. Even this is pretty good. Just watch it here. This one's a lot darker than the Sugar one, but it spreads quite easily. Okay. All the eyebrow pencils come along with a spoolie. The Sugar spoolie is much better in quality as compared to the Bella Voste one. This one's a lot hard. This one's quite soft. So by the way it looks, you all will not be able to distinguish the difference, but when you're using it on your eyebrows, you can really tell the difference. So, and the third product, my favorite product, is an eyebrow powder. This one's by Mars. I have picked the brown and black color one, and even this one is super pigmented. See that? This particular product comes along with an angular brush, a teeny tiny angular brush, which has a smudge on the others. I'm just going to show you all the problem areas that I have with my eyebrows. So my eyebrows are not at the same line. This one is a little bit raised than this one, and this one has got some bald spots. There's less hair here and here, and this one is a lot thinner than this. So I'm going to bring you a little bit close and show you how it looks. So I'm going to start with the side of my eyebrow, and I'm going to start with my Bella Voste pencil. So what I like to do is I like to brush down my eyebrows, and I leave this area where we have sparse hair, and then I draw a line from here to here, and then I bring it down. We're going to do the same thing even here. So we're going to draw a line here and then pull it down to here, and then we're going to draw small strokes. So I like my eyebrows being arched. We've drawn an outline, we just need to fill it in. So while filling it in, we need to hold the pencil a little bit far so that the color is not too pigmented and too dark. Let's just draw small strokes. So now this particular area looks pretty good to me. Now we need to fix this part. So again, very little product, very thin line, and just draw upward strokes. So if you all are not comfortable, and if you all have just started doing it, try resting your hand on your cheeks or on your nose. Once this is done, I just take my pinky finger and I dab the product here. I don't like too much of product here so that it looks a little bit natural. I think this side of my eyebrows are done. So I'm going to start with this side of my eyebrow, and I'm going to use eyebrow powder on this side. Even though the brush that they have given is pretty good, but I like using this brush. It's a little more precise. So we're going to do the same thing which we did on the other side, just that, like I told you all, this side of my eyebrow is a lot more thinner and it's not at the same angle. So I need to make this eyebrow as thick as this eyebrow, and so I like my eyebrows looking dark towards the end and a lot lighter here. So what I like to do is I like to take the black product on the side of the brush like this, and I like to dip the center of the brush in brown. Tap off the axis and again do the same thing. So, and from here to here we're going to draw an arch which goes which comes down. And then fill it in with small strokes. Use your spoolie to distribute the product properly. Now you all just need to check if both the eyebrows are at the same angle. So these look pretty much at the same angle. Just need to do a little bit of cleaning here. Now for this particular part, I use the brown color and I draw upper lines. So you can use a concealer and clean off the area here, but I like them looking like this. Again, I'm going to dab it with my pinky finger so it looks a little bit natural. And there, I'm done with both the sides. So this looks pretty good to me. Let me know how do you all like it, and is there any other technique you all use to do your eyebrows? I would love to use it.